Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. As of these days we are talking about Washington release. So in today's session I will be talking about some of the features of Washington release. Please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So let's proceed further and see what are all our features which I am going to show you now. So first feature I am going to talk about is scripts background. Background script we generally use for checking our script whether it is working fine or not. Now this background script is modified from ServiceNow, and we can see encode check, encode comment the place wherever is required. Now we will see how our scripts background looks like after upgrade. So now I have redirected to our scripts background. Now you can see there are a lot of things started displaying under this Monaco JavaScript editor, and you can comment or you can do anything here as like we used to do in our client script or business rule. So we can check the syntax as well, and we can format the code as well here. So I am going to write a demo code where abc equal to new glide record. And now what you will see is like our color is changed in the script, how it is used to be in our business rules. So similar way it is started displaying under background script so that people can write a script in a proper way. So now you can see how this is changing. You can write the query, and you can see various toolbar started displaying here, and line numbers is displaying here, and as well as this is a mini viewer thing, and as well as colored keyboards. So like you can see the color coding inside the code. This is blue color, this is black, green, red. So this is the modification which is provided in Washington release related to background script. Now I will be talking about other update is related to application manager updates. Now application manager updates means like wherever we are installing the plugins or checking the plugins which is installed or not installed. And now you can see this is our application manager, and we can activate plugins from here and application as well. So you can see this is the application plugin section under application manager. So we have two updates here like activity log updates and a redesigned install model. Alright, so now let me search for any plugin such as process such as playbook. And now we can see our playbook experience. I will click on playbook experience. Currently no details are provided for this plugin. Let me open other plugin. Suppose I have clicked on this activity stream, and now you can see the details for this plugin displaying here, and you can see the log and activation details and update details here, all the details related to that plugin. And as well as you can check various sections like which is to be installed or which has to be updated. So in application manager you can see we have different sections under each plugin. Suppose like let me try to open problem management, and if I click on install, so what will happen, you will see the installed application will display like this, and similarly it will be group wide whether some plugin needs to be activated or some plugin is already installed. And as soon as we click on install, we will get the log updates for this plugin here itself, whether any log updates are created for this plugin or not. Alright, so this is also a good feature in application manager. And now we will be talking about keyboard shortcut. So keyboard shortcut, how you will see what all keyboard shortcuts will be working under Washington release. So you just have to go to this profile section, and then you can find here keyboard shortcuts. As soon as I will click on keyboard shortcuts, you will find all the shortcuts which is provided under Washington release, like favorite, unfavorite, current page, impersonate user, open admin menu, open help, open landing page, open user menu, open all menu, and such all things you can see here. And for the demo purpose, let us try to see. Control Shift I will impersonate the user. So you can see without clicking on impersonate user, this impersonate user section is displayed. And similar way we can check on Control Shift favorites, you can add the favorite as well. And similar way you can do all the various things like it is displayed under keyboard shortcuts, like a landing page or notifications menu. Anything you can perform using these keyboard shortcuts. Alright, so these all the features which is released in Washington release. So I will be back with more videos for Washington release. So please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. For more information, please visit the description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.